So I'm looking at this rebuilder that I bought for super cheap, thinking, what am I ever going to do with this thing? And then I had an idea. Stand back, I want to try something. Yeah. Let's make a wasteland apocalyptic thing. This kit was a win in an auction. And by win, I mean in the ticket drawings. You know, for every purchase, you get a ticket. And then I won this thing for free at the end of the night. And I'm not sure what I would ever do with it. It's not something I would go out of my way to find or buy. But combined with this guy and all of the cool parts and stuff that it came with, ooh, giant turbo diesel lifted Mad Max Wasteland looking thing. And as I was monkeying with it, the chopping and stuff that I'm going to do, you know, I might chop the trunk lid open to put stuff back there. I'll have to cut the underside of the frame to make the chassis make so the motor goes in there. Big turbo diesel beast. And then as I was playing with it, the original had a flip nose hood. Ooh, huh? Because why not? So there we go. We're gonna take this thing, chop it apart, chop some stuff, chop the frame, shorten it, put on the axle where it needs to go, and maybe shoot a different color coat of paint on this thing. And then not too worried about it because I'm gonna mud it and rust it and dirty it all up and make a Mad Max Wasteland thing. See where this goes.